Hi guys,
Hello.
welcome back to another video, and today we're going to Imber Village. We'll explain more what Imber Village is when we get there. So enjoy, get a cup of tea, get some biscuits and enjoy this ride. Right, so here we are, we're at Imber Village and we're going to take you guys around with us, but I'm just going to give you a little bit of information. This is my take on it. If you want to find out more information, find Wikipedia, find historians, there's plenty of videos out there about this area. But right now, technically, we're standing on private property, as to say, because this ground, all of this is belonging to the Ministry of Defence, the MOD basically. What happened is, back, I think it was before the Second World War, this whole area was there was people living here. All these were houses, that sort of thing, and people are happily living away their normal lives. Second World War come around and the MOD basically needed some training grounds. So the whole idea was that the villagers were asked to move out, and the provision was kind of like they were going to get told to move out so they could train in this area, because obviously Salisbury Plain, the training area, and then they'll be allowed back in. I think it was like 6 months or something down the line. Unfortunately, that never happened, and there was a lot of protesting going forwards and backwards because the residents wanted to move back to their properties because they were promised they were going to be able to move back in. Unfortunately, it never happened, and the MOD kept the area for training purposes. It was the Americans that come and use this area for training. And what you see now, a lot of it is obviously since been replaced, because these houses, shells, these are all training facilities that they've put up now. These are not the actual original bits, although there is actually some original stuff left. I believe that the church is still original. There's a school thing or something like that. There is a few bits and pieces that have been left fully intact. I believe it was the church that was promised that it must be kept in good stead at all times. So we're going to take a good look around, explore what we can see. Obviously there is fences and various tapes that stop you from going too far forwards from seeing properly inside some of it. One last thing, I just want to say that there was a farmer that lived somewhere around here, and he was a resident that was very unhappy about getting moved out. And it was said, I think it was said that he was crying over his anvil because he put up such a protest because he did not want to leave his farm. There should be a headstone, a new headstone somewhere around here, because I believe it's a great nephew down the line. He basically passed away, and I think he was the last known resident of this area, and he's said to be buried here, so hopefully we'll get to see his headstone. So come along with us on this little tour. Just going to head up to the church right now, go and explore. I believe this is one of the original buildings. One of the things I do want to say about this area is the fact of you can only visit this, I think it's only open a couple of times a year, if that. Check the website, because that will show you when the area is open for you to come and visit, and that's why we're visiting on this particular day. But yeah, come along with us, let's explore the church. Right, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. That's a trip round Imber Village. Really eerie place, but it's an absolute almost pleasure and honour to be able to come around here, because at any point the government could just shut this down and just keep it as a training ground forevermore.
Yeah,
but anyway,
very interesting.
Yeah, if you get a chance, come down it. It's well worth the almost day. You can make almost like a day if you bring a picnic and everything.
We've definitely spent a good couple of hours here having a good nosy around.
Yes, so yeah, take a look on the website, see when they're open. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to do all the fun stuff, like, comment and subscribe down below. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Do indeed.
For now, we'll say goodbye.
Splat.